In English, we'd say Sam's bike. In Samoan, we would say the bike of Sam or Olewila a Sam. In English, we say Sam's house. In Samoan, we would say the house of Sam or Olefale o Sam. Olefale o Sam. Sam's car, the car of Sam or Oleta'avale a Sam. Sam's mom or Sam's mother, the mother of Sam or Oletina o Sam. You get the point. Now, if you notice, in some of these we say Sam, and then other times we say O Sam. The difference is in the type of possession that we're talking about. Just like La'u and Lo'u, they both mean my, but whether we say La'u or Le'u depends on whether it's an A-class possession or an O-class possession. A bike is an A-class possession, so Olewila a Sam. A house is an O-class possession, Olefale o Sam. A car, A-class, Oleta'avale a Sam. A mother is an O-class possession, Oletina o Sam. You can download the list of A and O-class possessions from pacificapages.net.